Hey, welcome to this video. Dora here, and in this one I want to talk about one very interesting question a lot of people have been asking. And basically the question is, okay, so I'm getting a lot of traffic but no sales, right? Like no one is buying my Clickbank stuff, my Clickbank product. So what I want to do in this video is I want to give you a few reasons why, if this is happening in your business right now, I wanna give you a few reasons why this might be happening, why your traffic is not converting into sales, and also how to fix it. Now what's very cool, once you identify that one reason why is this happening, basically you can focus on fixing this one reason and you'll be good. But basically when it comes to, because at the end of the day, you can be getting hundreds, even thousands of clicks every single day, right, to your link. But if none of those people is converting into customers, there's no point in getting traffic, right? Because traffic is really just means to an end. Traffic is very important, right? But also it's very important that you know what to do with that traffic, how to actually convert it into customers, into sales, right? So again, this is something that we'll be talking about in this video. So I want to give you those reasons why your traffic is not converting into sales and how to fix it. So basically the reason why, there could be a lot of different reasons why, because there is a lot of different moving parts when it comes to affiliate marketing. But everything kind of boils down to four main reasons why. So I want to talk more about those four main reasons in this video, and also how you can fix them, okay? So basically reason number one why your traffic may not be converting into sales is because, and this one is actually very obvious one, this is your traffic source, okay? This is your traffic, the quality of traffic that you're getting. So here's what I mean by this. So now a lot of people are just focusing on quantity, okay? Just show me where do I go to get as much traffic as possible, right? Just show me where do I go to get thousands of clicks every single day. But the thing is, for example, you can go on Fiverr, you can buy 10,000 clicks for $5, okay? But the thing is, it's impossible to get real human eyeballs, 10,000 real human eyeballs for just $5, right? Unfortunately, but it will never happen. So basically you will get all of those clicks, right? But these clicks will be fake clicks, computer generated clicks, right? Bot clicks, which don't have credit cards, right? And they cannot purchase your stuff, right? So when it comes to traffic, the first thing what's very important is basically you want to make sure that you have real people clicking on your links, right? So basically you are getting real human traffic. But also, just because you have real people clicking on your links, it doesn't necessarily mean that you'll be making money, right? Because at the end of the day, you really want to make sure that people who are clicking on your links are people who want that result your product delivers, right? So we want to target that traffic. Here's what I mean by this. So for example, I'm selling product that teaches people how to train their dog. Okay, so this is that result my product delivers. Now here's the thing. So when it comes to targeted traffic, I wanna attract people who want dogs, right? But not only that, I wanna attract people who want to learn how to train their dogs, right? So it's not enough just to have people who are dog owners, but also I want people who want that result my product delivers, right? Who want to learn how to train their dogs, right? So this is what I mean by having targeted traffic, right? Basically people who want that result your product delivers. Now, for example, if I'm selling this same product, right, that teaches people how to train their dog, and people who are clicking on my links are not dog owners. Basically, those people don't need this product, right, and therefore people won't be buying this product from me. So again, targeted traffic, very important, okay? So this is reason number one, so it can be your traffic source and the quality of traffic that you're getting. Now, reason number two, basically also very obvious one, right, and this is your product. So a lot of people have no idea what they are selling. They are selling just stuff because they can make a lot of money by selling this product, right? So they're focusing on money first, right? So they're focusing on commissions rather than the quality of the product. So you want to make sure that you're actually selling quality stuff, the product that actually serves people, right? That delivers that result those people want, that delivers that result it promises to deliver. Because again, a lot of people have no idea what they are selling. They don't know what's inside the product, how the product looks like, right? They don't know if the product is actually quality product or not, right? So, you want to make sure that you know what's inside the product, right? You want to make sure that product is actually quality stuff, because people don't want garbage stuff, right? Therefore, people won't be buying garbage stuff from you. But also, even if someone buys this product from you, people can refund, right? Once they see it's garbage stuff, people will refund, and that way you won't keep commissions anyway, right? So it's very important that you're actually selling good stuff, quality products, right? So this is reason number two. But let's assume you have very targeted traffic, right? Quality traffic, quality visitors. You are promoting good stuff, but still you're not making sales. So this actually brings me to reason number three why this might be happening to you. And this is, the problem can be in your funnel. Okay, so if you don't know what funnel is, this is basically that process your traffic goes through, right? Your potential customers go through. So in affiliate marketing, we have one funnel that's proven to work, okay? The funnel that's proven to make money. But again, if you do it the right way, okay? So I want to show you how the funnel that's proven to work when it comes to affiliate marketing looks like. And basically, here on my channel you can find more videos where I walk you through step by step how to, how to build up this funnel, right? How to actually implement this strategy in your business. But basically, here's how the funnel works. So what you wanna do, okay, the first step of this funnel is something called landing page. So this is actually a very simple page, okay, but you must send people to your landing page, okay? Like a lot of affiliates are just sending traffic straight to their affiliate link, but this model doesn't work. This model won't make you any money. So you want to make sure that you are actually sending traffic to your landing page, okay? Now from there, those people go to your email list. And basically, this is where we are collecting leads, right? Now what you can do is you can redirect people to another page. So in very basic model, this page can be your Clickbank stuff, right? But to actually increase your conversions on the front end, what you can do is you can redirect people to something called pre-frame page. So on this page, you can have simple video where you are pre-framing people about the stuff that you're selling. So you're basically making that connection between that result those people want and between your affiliate offer, right? So what's very, very cool below this video, you can have your affiliate link. So every time someone clicks on this link, that person will be redirected to your Clickbank product. Okay, so this is where we're making money. Okay, so this is kind of how the funnel looks like. But also on the front end, this is like most of your money will actually be made in your email follow-up sequence. Okay, so most of your money will come from your list. So here on the front end, like you will make some money, but most of your money will be made here in your basically in your email communication phase. Okay, so we need to communicate with those people through our emails. So basically I want to have all of those emails preloaded in my autoresponder. Now when it comes to, so kind of this is how the funnel looks like now. But when it comes to converting your traffic into sales, okay, using this funnel, there are two common mistakes people are making when it comes to implementation of this funnel. So the first thing, and this is actually the reason number 3 why your traffic might not be converting into sales, is the problem. The problem might be with your landing page. So this page right here. Now when it comes to landing page, it's very, very important. Then on your landing page, you have something called message to market match. Okay, so I want to make sure that this message or headline actually is congruent with the message on the sales page of Clickbank stuff that you're selling, right? So for example, if I'm selling Clickbank product that teaches people how to lose weight, so maybe that message on the sales page is learn how to lose 1 pound of fat every 3 days. Okay, so if so I want to make sure that actually the message on my landing page is congruent with this message. So for example, if I say learn how to lose 3 pounds of fat every 3 days, on my landing page there is no congruence, right? Basically the difference is just one number. Basically here we have number 3 and there is number 1, right? 1 pound and 3 pounds. But still, there is no congruence, right? People are expecting to learn how to lose 3 pounds of fat, and basically there's an offer that teaches them how to lose 1 pound of fat, right? So there's no congruency. Now this might not look like a big mistake to you, okay, to us marketers, but basically to people, it will be very, very confusing for those people who are opting into your list, right? So that way you can have a lot of people giving you their email address, but people won't be converting. Why? Because people are expecting to get different results, right? So there is no congruency. This is why people won't be buying your stuff. So this is one reason why your landing page might not be converting very, very well, or rather why you are not making sales, right? Your landing page can be converting because your headline is good, right? But there is no congruency with your sales page, and this is why people won't be buying your stuff. But the second reason why your traffic might not be converting into leads, okay, the problem with your landing page can be too much distractions. Now the whole goal of the landing page is to actually be simple, okay? The simpler the better. You will have higher conversion rates. More people will be giving you their email addresses. Now, when it comes to simplicity, okay, what's working the best for me, it's simple message, simple headline, and simple clear call to action button. So I actually saw a landing page from a marketer, and as background image, and this is actually a perfect example of distractions. So as background image, he had a screenshot of sales page of his affiliate offer. But here's the thing, on this sales page, there is a sales video, there are different links, right? Navigation links. So basically, start now button, there is, FAQs, there is, a lot of different links, right? So people who are landing on this landing page, they want to click on all of those links, right? Even though this is just an image, but people still want to click on the video, they want to play the video, right? They want to click on start now button. So basically there's a lot of distractions, right? So you want to make sure that your landing page is simple call to action, simple message, and basically the simpler the better, okay? So this is reason number 3 why your traffic might not be converting into sales, into leads, and then into sales. But let's just assume you have very targeted traffic, right? Quality visitors, you're selling good stuff, quality product. You have high converting landing page with message to market match. So you have a lot of people on your email list, right? But still, you are not making money, you are not making sales. So why is this happening? So basically, this brings me to point number 4, reason number 4, why viral traffic might not be converting into sales, and this is the way you are nurturing your list. So a lot of people don't have the right strategy in place when it comes to converting their leads into customers. But in order for you to actually make sales, you need to have the right strategy, right? You need to do certain things in a certain way. Now I actually talk more about how the strategy looks like, how it works, how to implement it here on this channel. Basically I create video where I'm focusing just on this strategy, right? How to convert your leads into customers. So you can find this video. I can actually provide link below in the description. You can watch it if you want to. But when it comes to conversions, when it comes to converting your leads into customers, the one main key is something called value. Okay, so you need to provide value, because value will help you engage your people with your emails. Now, if people don't engage with your emails, so people don't open your emails, right? People don't consume your content, people won't be buying stuff from you. But if people are actually engaging with your content, people will be opening your emails, engaging with your content again, right? Basically, this will help you. This will help you build a relationship with your people. People will get to know you. Therefore, people will trust you, right? People will trust your recommendations, and people will be buying Clickbank stuff from you. So when it comes to converting your leads into customers, it's very, very important that you lead with value, right? So you talk about what does people care about, which is that result. And you can talk about that result by providing value, by sharing with people different strategies, different ideas that will actually help them get closer to that result, right? Something called value. Now, if you do it, if you provide value, people will want to open your emails, right? People will be looking forward to your emails. People will be opening your emails because they know there is value inside their emails for them, right? So this is why people will be opening their emails. They will get to know you, they will trust you, and they will trust your recommendations, right? So they will be buying your Clickbank stuff. So those are 4 main reasons why your traffic might not be converting into sales, right? So might be getting a lot of traffic, ton of traffic, but no sales. So again, try to identify what that reason is for you. Once you identify that reason, you can easily fix it, right? So again, those are 4 main reasons. So let me know what you think about them, what you think about this video down below in the comment section. If you have any questions, also please leave them down below. And if you need a step-by-step guide, if you literally need someone to take you by the hand and show you step-by-step how to build successful, unshakable, solid affiliate marketing business, selling Clickbank stuff, different affiliate products online, right? What you can do is you can click on the first link in the description, and you can access step-by-step training. They will basically show in more details how to get traffic, then how to convert the traffic into leads and into customers, and how to build successful affiliate marketing business from scratch. So again, if you need a step-by-step guidance, feel free to check it out. And this is it for this video. Again, I really hope this information serves you, and I'm really looking forward to talk to you soon.